So pink girl's over there. And here comes, ooh, black boy. Oh no, that's pink girl. Black boy. Red girl. Black girl. Must be pink at my feet. Pink! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Come on! Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah. There's red girl. Trying to do this with my gloves on, so I'm not very good. And here comes Ozzy, Ginny, and Dempsey in the distance here. Hi, Dad. Hi, Ozzy. And here come the puppies. There is Red Girl, I think. And Phil galloping away. And the whole gang over by the fence, where you can't see them.
Okay, buckle in. Here we go.
Okay, I'm ready. Drive on. I want to see everybody going down the driveway together.
Against the back of you.
How'd you get over there, Simon?
How did you get over there?
Pretty clever. Oh, and there goes a puppy.
Go puppy!
Go puppy. Who's going next?
Whoa!
Oh,
Big jump.
Ginny, and there goes Dempsey. And what's Phil gonna do?
Thinking about it.
Where's Roro?
Hey, Rogo.
Can you believe it? Well, there goes Ozzy. We can hear Ozzy going across. They're all going. Oh! Oh, we missed it. Phil, what a good jump. That one didn't even try to jump. Jump!
Come on, Green, jump.
Go, Green.
Go, Green, go. I'm scared.
Green. Your baby. Come on. There you go. Good boy.
It's a big baby.
You should call him Prince Vince.
Cooking.